How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your HyperX Cloud Jet to your computer. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. Basically, right after unboxing the product, it should look something like this, where it comes in with the 2.4 gigahertz dongle and the actual cable itself. So if you want the wired connection, it's going to be extremely simple. Plug this onto your headset right here and plug the other end or the USB port onto your computer. If you want to use the USB dongle or the 2.4 gigahertz dongle, basically we can connect it two ways. For wireless, we have the Bluetooth mode and the 2.4 gigahertz. I suggest using this one. So just plug this normally onto your computer. And then from there, you want to make sure that you are using the Wi-Fi connection, not on the Bluetooth icon. But of course, if you want to use the Bluetooth connection, maybe for your phones, you could just switch it on the mode switcher right here. After switching it, turn it on, and then it will automatically be connected to your computer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.